You are watching The Book Club. Every Wednesday, we handpick the best books to improve your life. The 15 Best Business Books for Beginners. Welcome to Alux.com, the place where future billionaires come to get inspired. If you're not subscribed yet, you're missing out. Hello Aluxers and welcome back. We're so happy to have you back with us because we're about to share with you 15 books that will help you if you're just starting out as an entrepreneur and are in search of as much guidance as possible. Being in business, and especially a successful one, is no easy feat. You have to constantly solve problems about money, about staff, operations, suppliers, and many other things depending on the nature of your business. We don't want to make this intro super long with details about starting off in business because we could easily go on all day. And honestly, that's why we've made so many videos on the topic in the past, to help you navigate these treacherous waters of the business world. So let's cut to the chase and find out which are the best business books for beginners that you can find on the market. Number 1. The E-Myth Revisited by Michael E. Gerber. Here's an author that talks about having the right approach for your business, which is crucial for businesses to thrive or decline. Most business owners fail because they focus on the wrong things, even though they work crazy hard. Also, they all seem to share the same characteristics. Isn't that interesting? Gerber points out that if you want your business to succeed and bring you the life you want, you must focus on creating a system-dependent business, not a people-dependent business. He'll show you how to apply the lessons of franchising to any business, thus making sure you help to grow your business in a productive, assured way. This might sound a little counterintuitive with all the social media nowadays, but the value this book has to offer is priceless. Go see for yourself. Check out Alux.com/freebook. Sign up and access the audiobook instantly, thanks to our friends at Audible. Number 2. Setting the Table by Danny Meyer. While this book is directed more so toward hospitality businesses, the lessons showcased in this book can be applied to any business. Setting the Table is a remarkable book that will teach you how to create fantastic customer experiences that keep people coming back for more. The insights from this book will help you to know your customers so you can better serve them, regardless of what industry you're in. Also, just a quick pro tip, the same applies to your employees, suppliers, partners, and everyone that's tied to your business. Let's end this one with a quote from one of our favorite billionaires. We'll let you guess who it is. Take care of your employees, and they'll take care of your business. Number 3. Atomic Habits by James Clear. In his book, James Clear offers sound framework to help you rethink your daily routine and behavior patterns. He explains how we come to form our habits and why understanding this process matters for changing old ones and creating new ones. Clear's strategy revolves around making small changes incrementally to see big results over time. We all know that time is the most valuable resource you have as an entrepreneur, and when it comes to starting a business, you need to make every second count. Atomic Habits is more of a self-improvement productivity book than a business book, but its insights are extremely valuable to all entrepreneurs out there, whether they're from the US, India, Kenya, Italy, or anywhere else. Number 4. Leaders Eat Last by Simon Sinek. This book starts a refreshing conversation on what it means to lead effectively. Imagine a world where everyone wakes up feeling inspired to go to work, feels trusted and valued, and then returns home with a sense of fulfillment, knowing their work is meaningful to others. Well, many leaders around the world are striving to create such environments in which people can work together to do phenomenal things. If you take care of them, the team will take care of you. Sinek outlines the importance of understanding the qualities of a great leader when you're starting a business, because only great leaders can instill trust among team members, drive motivation, and improve performance. Number 5. Remote by Jason Fried and David Heinemeier Hansson. We're living in extraordinary times where opportunities seem to be endless, and you can earn money in so many ways it's impossible to have imagined this 20 years ago. This book will seriously open your eyes to the remarkable opportunities of working remotely and how to make it happen effectively. Fried, along with Hansen, reveal all the challenges and unexpected benefits of this phenomenon that'll change the concept of work-life balance in your mind forever. And Aluxers, if you're interested in working from home, we actually have a video on our channel called The 10 Highest Paid Jobs That You Can Do From Home. You might want to check it out by clicking in the top right corner. Number 6. The Art of Start by Guy Kawasaki. In this book, the author distills decades of experience into accessible, simple guides that will provide you with inspiration and the necessary tools to make the transition into the business world as smooth as possible. Guy Kawasaki stresses the importance of focusing on key details at the beginning so you won't trip over mistakes as your business starts to gain traction. In The Art of Start, you'll learn everything from raising money to hiring the right people, from positioning yourself to creating a brand, from managing a board to nurturing an entire company culture, and much more. Somewhere along the way, Kawasaki says you'll start to feel like this journey is more of a piece of art than just science. Number 7. Simple Numbers, Straight Talk, Big Profits by Greg Crabtree. Keeping a tight leash on your finances is one of the key factors that will make or break your business, and this applies to both behemoths like Disney and especially to new blood. Simple Numbers shows you a straightforward look at the financial side of starting and building a business. The more you understand the financial aspects of your business, the better the decisions you'll make, which in turn will make your business more successful. On the other hand, if you don't understand money well, you, my friend, have a very expensive hobby, not a business. Number 8. The Tipping Point by Malcolm Gladwell. This is a book that's all about ideas. It explores why some ideas, products, and behaviors experience massive popularity, while others die off before they even had a chance to bloom. Malcolm Gladwell explains that growth depends on reaching an explosive moment known as the tipping point. While there are plenty of elements that can contribute to concepts growing like crazy, most of the time it only takes a few key people to trigger an outbreak. If you're eager to get the book and dissect every part of it so you can make your own idea the next big thing, go to the link in the description and purchase the book. Or save your money. Head over to Alux.com/freebook and sign up. If it's your first time, you'll be given access to the audio version of Tipping Point all for free, thanks to our partnership with Audible. Number 9. Women Who Launch by Marlene Wagman Geller. Entrepreneurs around the world face a series of challenges while they try to get their business off the ground. However, female entrepreneurs have a different set of obstacles and challenges that they also have to face. That's true especially when it comes to funding, which sometimes can be downright discouraging. Women Who Launch offers so many inspiring stories of female activists, scientists, artists, and entrepreneurs who launched some of the most famous brands, companies, and organizations that have changed the world. It's a fascinating collection of biographies that will keep you asking for more. Number 10. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. You know we had to include this one. Rich Dad, Poor Dad has become a classic in the business world, a pretty much must-read for any beginning entrepreneur. It's an inspiring book that tells the story of Robert Kiyosaki and how he was educated by his two dads to become the great entrepreneur he is today. The lessons he provides in this book are a great mix of philosophy, how to approach money, how to manage your money so it works for you, and basic knowledge of accounting, budgeting, and investing. And in case you missed it, a while back we did a video all about Robert and how he made his wealth before becoming the man behind Rich Dad, Poor Dad. If you'd like to watch, just click in the top right corner. Number 11. The Peter Principle by Lawrence J. Peter and Raymond Hull. If you've decided to pursue your entrepreneurial ambitions, you should be aware of the painfully easy ways you can sabotage your business to failure right from the start. The Peter Principle is a remarkable book that will help you understand that no business model is 100% safe with an inclination towards success, and how you can recruit great people to help you out. Failure can happen in the most unlikely of moments, and entrepreneurs should be aware of this fact. Support and trustworthy partners and collaborators are essential for success. Number 12. Escape from Cubicle Nation by Pamela Slim. In this groundbreaking book, Pamela Slim explores the emotional issues people deal with when leaving the corporate world and the aspects of launching a business. to help you understand the mindset differences if you're transitioning from an employee mindset to an entrepreneur mindset. The author packed in a ton of ideas into this heavy, detailed guide to help you out with this massive change. Number 13. Ego is the Enemy by Ryan Holiday. Here's an author that shares with you how ego can impede learning and the cultivation of talent. Holiday also aims to help you suppress your ego early before bad habits take hold. Replace its temptations with humility, discipline, and fortitude so you can withstand failure when it comes. Success can blind even the smartest of people to their own faults and create problems, while failure magnifies the intensity of even the smallest of setbacks, making recovery a little more difficult. Either way, ego holds you back, and you have to learn to keep it at bay. Number 14. 3D Negotiation by David A. Lax and James K. Sebenius. Negotiation is another important skill that all entrepreneurs should possess. 3D Negotiation offers a very powerful framework for negotiation analysis, which moves away from the traditional strategies of negotiation. Filled with practical steps and cases, this book ensures that the right parties have been approached in the right sequence to address the right interests under the right expectations and facing the right consequences of walking away if there's no deal. 3D Negotiation shows you how a superior setup develops, along with insightful deal designs that can enable you to reach remarkable understandings at the table that were simply impossible by old tactics. Number 15. Predictable Revenue by Aaron Ross and Mary Lou Tyler. After many years at Salesforce, Aaron Ross created this incredible guide that's a must-read for anyone in demand generation and sales development. This book provides a trove of tested ideas for managing and growing your sales in a scalable way. Going through this book is like having a very satisfying conversation with a sales guru who generously shares their sales process, results, and lessons learned. Okay, Aluxers, so now we just have to ask you, which book has helped you in the beginning of your entrepreneurial journey? Go down to the comments and share it with us. And of course, you're expecting a bonus book, aren't you? You stuck with us this long and you deserve it. Here it is. Number 16. Shoe Dog by Phil Knight. This one had to be in here because it illustrates so vividly the success and hurdles of Phil Knight and how he transformed his startup into the global brand we all know today as Nike. This memoir is as inspirational as they come, proving that energy, vision, and passion are pretty much all you need to bring your dreams into reality. Thank you for spending some time with us, Aluxer. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss a video. If you want more, we handpicked these videos you might enjoy, or head over to Alux.com for the best in fine living content on the planet. Be a part of the largest community of luxury enthusiasts in the world and tell your story.